Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to migrate from Zoho Mail to Grigora Mail. Export emails from Zoho Mail. To start, you will need a free application called Thunderbird. Download and install it on your computer. The link is in the video description. Open Thunderbird and log in with your Zoho Mail account. Once logged in, go to Settings. Click the gear icon at the bottom left and select Add-ons and Themes. Search for Import Export Tools NG and install it. After installing, go back to your Mail folder list. Right-click on the folder you want to export. Select Import Export Tools NG. Export folder as Inbox file. Save the Inbox file to your computer. If the saved file doesn't have an extension, you can rename it and add .inbox to the end of the file name. Create your Grigora Mail account. Now go to your Grigora dashboard and click on Mails. Click on Create New Address. Select your domain and enter your desired email prefix. Create a password and click Continue. You will see DNS records to add to your domain manager. Add and verify them. If already done, click Skip for now. Next, you can enable Forward a copy to another mail if you want incoming emails forwarded elsewhere. Click Continue. Enter your name for the email account. You can also choose whether to include a website link in your signature. Click Finish Setup. Import emails to Grigora Mail. Click Open Inbox and log in. Once inside your inbox, click on Settings at the top. Scroll down and click on Import Data. Upload the inbox file you exported from Thunderbird earlier. Click Next. Choose how you want to import the emails. Merge with existing folder. Adds emails to your current folders. Import to new folder. Creates a new folder for these emails. Select your preference and click Start Import. The import process will begin. Once finished, you will see an Import Successful message. Click Done. That's it! You have successfully migrated your emails from Zoho Mail to Grigora Mail. See you in the next tutorial.